Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to take you on a journey to discover the core of Islamic values. At the heart of Islam, we find a beautiful framework for living a life of faith, compassion, and justice. Let's delve into the 5 pillars of Islam, which form the foundation of our faith. First, Shahada, the declaration of faith. By bearing witness that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger, we affirm our commitment to the Creator. Next is Salah, the ritual prayer performed 5 times a day. It's our daily connection to Allah, a moment to pause, reflect, and find inner peace. Establishing a regular prayer routine can transform our lives, providing guidance and serenity. Then we have Zakat, the act of giving to charity. By supporting those in need, we purify our wealth and cultivate a sense of empathy and community. It's a reminder that our blessings are meant to be shared. The 4th pillar, Psalm fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. It's a powerful practice of self-discipline, gratitude, and spiritual growth. Through fasting, we develop empathy for the less fortunate and strengthen our connection to Allah. Finally, Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. A once-in-a-lifetime journey that unites Muslims from around the world, symbolizing equality and devotion. But Islam isn't just about rituals. It's a way of life that encourages ethical conduct and kindness. Everyday acts of kindness, a simple smile, helping a neighbor, or showing compassion to strangers, embody the essence of good character in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character." Our daily interactions provide countless opportunities to practice kindness and generosity. Stories of Muslims exemplifying these values are plentiful. From community leaders volunteering their time to individuals offering support to the homeless, these acts of kindness make a significant impact. They remind us that our faith calls us to be agents of goodness and compassion. Prayer and reflection are essential in honoring the divine. Creating a quiet space for prayer allows us to connect deeply with Allah, seeking His guidance and finding peace amidst life's challenges. Building a just society is another core principle. Islam teaches us to stand up for social justice and equality, advocating for the oppressed and marginalized. As Muslims, we have a responsibility to promote equity and justice in our communities and beyond. Engaging in social activism, supporting those in need, and challenging injustices are ways we can fulfill this duty. Living with purpose is about integrating Islamic values into every aspect of life. Setting intentions and goals aligned with our faith can lead to a fulfilling and meaningful existence. Let's be inspired by individuals who have found purpose through Islam. Their stories remind us that our faith is a source of strength, guidance, and fulfillment. In conclusion, embracing the core values of Islam enriches our lives and communities. By living with faith, compassion, justice, and purpose, we can make a lasting positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May Allah guide and bless us all. Assalamu alaikum.